All right, here we go. First babies born in Britain using DNA from 3 people. Britain's fertility regulator has confirmed the birth of the UK's first babies created using an experimental technique. An embryologist works on a petri dish at the Create Health Fertility Clinic in South London, Thursday, August 14, 2013. Britain's fertility regulator said the first babies created using an experimental technique combining DNA from 3 people have been born in an effort to prevent the children from inheriting rare genetic diseases. Okay, so as a mother that have pushed out 6 babies, I did not even know that this was possible. So if you are an OBGYN, please, I really want to understand, how does that work? How does the DNA test work? How does that work, having a baby with 3 separate DNA strands from 3 different people? If you're OBGYN or anybody else that works in women's health, please comment and let me know.